Right, hello and welcome to the Geek Lab. And as a great philosopher who is made of plastic of our time once said, "Spaceship! Spaceship!" Sorry, couldn't resist that one. Lego movie reference if you didn't get it. Okay, right, yes, it's time for the next Star Trek Starship special from Eagle Mosh. And yes, this one should be hopefully quite good. Let's just move it over here and open the box out of the way so you can't see what I can see. Well, yes, there's stuff in here. Right, okay, so this special is from the new movies. More specifically, what you call them? Into Darkness, I think. This is the D4 Bird of Prey. Sorry, I've been up all night. D4 Bird of Prey. Operational 2259, length 25.5 meters. That's not the model length, which it was. I wouldn't fit up here actually. Wingspan 39 meters. So it's only a wee shape. Alright then, let's have a look at this. Profile, D4 Bird of Prey, and designing the ship. Okie dokie. Operational 2259, crew 6, atmospheric fighter. So it just stays on the planet. Okay. Mission, planetary defense, weaponry, disruptor cannons, micro torpedoes. No maximum speed given. Okie dokie. Klingon D4 Bird of Prey. In the 2250s, heavily armed fighters would patrolled the surface of the Klingon homeworld. Can't even speak, I'm not tired. Oh, don't know. Right. D4 fighters patrolled the atmosphere of the Klingon homeworld, defending from intruders and putting down any rebellion. Ah yes, double-edged sword. Useful for that as well. In the altered timeline caused by Nero's actions, D4 fighters carried a small complement of Klingon warriors. Cool. Nice artwork in this one. Look at that. What's it doing? She looks weird. Looks like coming in half there. I like that. I do like that tail on that one. It's very good. And like that. Designing the D4 Bird of Prey. Star Trek's new Klingon fighters had a long journey before becoming the most hawk-like of all the birds of prey. A lot of detail to this model, it appears. Hopefully they can pull it off. The first designs. Yeah. Nah. Nah, that wouldn't have worked. Okie air scan laser, all sorts of weird. Pierre Droulet, a familiar idea. Klein's first pass of the Klingon ship was a variation on a Messing's design, and he described it as being very abstract, almost like a sculpture. Looks more like a weapon than a ship. Bit strange. Oh, it's quite nice. I like that. Yes. Ew, weird. More designs. Get my hands, fingers in the pages here. Okie. There is a lot of detail to this model. So, we shall see if they've pulled it off. More on designing it. And yet more on designing it. Okie dokie. Right. And there's the ship. So, let's see if they've pulled off. Managed to pull off this rather ambitious model. Let's have a look. Well, here's our box as usual. As usual, good. Ooh, fail. Tear on the bottom. Fail. Oh well. Okie dokie, let's have a look. Can we get it open? I'm not going to show this in the fleet after, because the fleet is going to need a bit of reorganisation to fit this in. But, ooh, hello. Put that there. Let's get out the stand. There's a little bit of the stand. There's the stand and the vessel itself. Now, not wanting to break anything on the way out. There we go. Oh. Ooh, that is a lot of detail. Let's pull the box out of the way. Okay, first look. Wow. That's rather impressive, actually. It's straight as well. Yes. Appears to be straight. So that detail, the guns and everything. They've gone to town with this one. What the hell is that? Oh dear, bit of a modelling fail there. Looks like a problem with the mould or something. Disappointing bit of failure there, but it's underneath, it ain't going to get in the way. Other than that, it seems to be rather good. Yes, out. Looks. Don't know something there. Looks like the glue's gone on it or something. Oh well. Yeah. It's a battle scar, that's what it is. It's a battle scar. It's a Klingon bird of prey. That's a battle scar. And this is a very, as I've already said, ambitious model. Look at the detail on it. Wow. It's quite incredible. Even in the recesses here, you can see all the detail. It's quite the model. Whee. Big cannons sitting on the top. That's nice. So let's have a look at it around. There's the thing, top view. Looks a bit like something from Batman. Yep, and that way. Paint job is nice. Yep. Textures are nice. There's just details that you keep seeing and seeing and seeing. The guns here. Forward cannons on there. These little structures and stuff. Yes. Side view from that side. Front view. Side view from that side. Rear view. You got this thing on the back here. And a bottom view. Bottom view that way up. And you can see it goes into detail, goes into the lamp across here. Best again. There's all sorts of stuff. Detail in there. There's detail inside. Yeah. You've got artwork on here. Detail in there. Doors. Yes. Other than the battle scar, it is, especially from this angle, a rather good model. I like that. That's good. Let's put it on a stand. Right, there we go. There we go. Sits quite well on the stand. Not too unstable. I'll just bring the camera down. You can have a look. Right, that's as low as I can get it. But there we go. Looks quite big on its stand there. But there you go. That is a nice addition to the collection. So, well done, guys. Like that. Nice magazine for it too. So there we go. Latest special. from the Eagle Moss Star Trek Starships collection. The D4 Bird of Prey. Thank you. Au revoir.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.